मैम क्या
which ma'am has sent you yesterday. Yes. Yes. Shruti ma'am, everyone.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging. Okay, so let's start with the date of today. Right now, it's 3030. Today is
Okay, voice is lagging.
3030th
Now it
of
is fine.
December. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Today is 3030th of December 2020. From tomorrow onwards, we will be entering in a new year 2021. Tomorrow will be the last day of this year, and we will meet in the new year. Okay, let's start with some prayers. Yes? Okay, everybody, please stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes for the prayer. Very good. Yes. Join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Let's start. Om Bhuvaswaha Tattvaviturvarinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhuvaswaha Tattvaviturvarinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should always say thank you to God every day for what we have or what we see surround us, what we eat, for everything. Right? Now everybody please settle down at your place. Please sit down. Yes, very good. Yes. Now, shall we start with the New Year celebration? Everyone excited? Yes. Very good.
Everyone, my voice is coming to all my dear lovely kids. Ma'am, everybody,
Yes.
my voice is coming, Shruti ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, I want to see, because ma'am is talking, so how you have to sit? You have to sit like acha bacha, your back should be straight and arm should be folded. Very good. Acha bacha kaise? ऐसे.
जैसे ये join your hands नहीं. हाँ, very good.
You fold your arms and your back should be straight and nobody will move like. कोई भी बच्चा ऐसे dancing नहीं करेगा when ma'am is talking, okay? Yes, so shall I start? Yes. जैसे हमने Christmas celebrate किया था ना, the same day New Year, a new beginning. Right, one complete year again our birthday will come. हमारा फिर से birthday आएगा New Year में, and New Year starts with January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So many months. I am very excited क्योंकि मेरा birthday ना जुलाई में आता है. So I am very excited. Again July will come. Again January will come. All the months will come again, right? अब बच्चे ध्यान से सुनेंगे सारे बेबीज. जो ईयर चला गया 2020, मैम अपने किसी भी बेबी से मिल नहीं पाई. मैम अवलीन से भी नहीं मिली, अगमजीत से भी नहीं मिली, चारवी से भी नहीं मिली, किसी बेबी से भी नहीं मिल पाई मैम. Why? क्यों नहीं मिल पाई मैम? Who will tell? आदिरा will tell. आदिरा हम क्यों नहीं मिल पाए मैम से? Adira, you need to unmute. Very good. Krisha has
because there was holiday.
Because Corona is there. We are not allowed to go outside. Yes. Okay, so what first prayer we are doing is, God, please कोरोना को अपने पास बुला लो so that I can meet all my dear kids. मैं अपने सारे बेबी से मिल पाऊं. Okay, then second good thing is कि जब न्यू ईयर आएगा तो वी आर होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट कि हमारा न्यू ईयर बहुत अच्छा आए, हम सब बहुत हैप्पी रहें, हम सब अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहें. ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज अबाउट न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन. आपको पता है हमें न्यू ईयर में क्या करना होता है? हमें न्यू ईयर में एक प्रॉमिस करना होता है. Everybody is listening. I want to see everybody sit with folded arms. तभी मुझे पता लगेगा मेरे बेबी सुन रहे हैं कि नहीं सुन रहे. Very good. Adrika is sitting with folded arms. Yes, Rudransh, you need to sit with folded arms. ठीक है? Keep your toys aside. Yes, आपको पता है बेबी? Yes, Divik. Very good, Divik. You need to sit with your folded arms like a good baby. Now listen to me. What new resolution we are going to take? आप सब अपना प्रॉमिस अपनी मम्मा से कर लेना, लेकिन आज मैम के सामने जो आपने प्रॉमिस करना है वो कैसे करना है? Your right hand on your heart, your right hand on your heart, और आपने क्या बोलना है? मम्मा, मम्मा, I promise to help my मम्मा. सारे बेबीज मम्मा से प्रॉमिस करेंगे कि मैं मम्मा की हेल्प करूंगा या मैं मम्मा की हेल्प करूंगी. I promise. प्रॉमिस हम कैसे करते हैं? Right hand on your heart. Your right hand on your heart. And are you promising? Very good. Ayansh, Riddhi Siddhi, Bhavleen Kaur, everybody is promising. Pratishtha, you need to mute yourself, please. We are promising that we will help our mama. ठीक है? अब मैम आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बताने वाली हैं. प्लीज दिव्या, you need to mute. Yes, for 2 minutes मैम will talk. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि अब सब विंटर्स है हमारे पास. विंटर्स में वी आर वेयरिंग स्वेटर्स, जैकेट्स, टी-शर्ट्स, लोअर्स, इनर्स, एवरीथिंग, सॉक्स, so many things we are wearing. और वो सारे कपड़े कौन धोता है? मम्मा. With the help of washing machine, mama is doing all the things. Everybody is agreeing with ma'am? Yes, mama is doing everything with the help of washing machine. And sun is also not coming every day. sun भी आता है तो कम आता है, right? और उसको सुखाती भी मम्मा है. जब मम्मा आपकी ड्राइड क्लोथ्स को घर के अंदर लेके आएंगी, all my babies will fold their own clothes on their own. सब बच्चे अपने कपड़ों को खुद फोल्ड करेंगे, सिर्फ अपने कपड़ों को करेंगे, मम्मा पापा के नहीं करेंगे. So you need to promise, ma'am, you will help mama in all the things, and all my good babies will fold their clothes on their own. अगमजीत, आप प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो अपने क्लोथ्स को खुद आप फोल्ड करोगे? Are you promising, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good boy. Krisha, are you promising me you will do the same? Krisha Aman Sethi, are you promising me?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Avleen, are you promising you will fold your own clothes? Avleen Kaur, you need to unmute.
गुस्सा कर रहे हो, देखो बैठो आप अपनी सीट पे.
Yes,
अपनी
ma'am.
सीट
Yes,
पे
please mute. Akshdeep, please mute. Yes, Avleen, you will fold your clothes. Very nice. Very good. Yes, Rudransh. Rudransh, for some time you can keep your toys aside. You will help mama. Promise mama that mama I will help you. Promise your mama.
Yes.
Yes, Bhavleen Kaur will help.
Yes. Mama. Yes.
Very good. Charvi Gupta will help. Very good. All my dear good babies. Riddhi and Siddhi, my good girls. बेटे मम्मा को बहुत हेल्प करनी है क्योंकि मम्मा के पास 2 बेबीज हैं बिल्कुल सेम. ओके, हेल्प योर मम्मा. आयांश,
Yes.
Your mama and eat your food on your own. Right?
Ma'am, he was saying me I already help you because he does really.
Yes, he is always helpful to mama, and now he will eat his own food on his own.
Yes,
ठीक है,
you
अपने आप
will.
खाएंगे खाना. Okay, because I can see, मैं देखती हूँ आप इसको बाइट खिला रहे होते हो, तो they will eat on their own. All my dear babies. Okay? ठीक है? कोई भी बेबी की गोदी में नहीं बैठेगा. Nobody will sit on mama's lap. गोदी में कोई बच्चा नहीं बैठेगा. सारे बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं. ठीक है? Help your mama. Give space to your mama. Mama बहुत थक जाती हैं. Right? Now, yesterday, ma'am has sent you one message. मैम ने आपको बोला था एक लोअर, एक शर्ट, one pair of socks collect करके रखना सारे babies. Now it's time to take it out. It's time to take out. Right? Who has joined just now? Vedanta and Vedika. Very good. Right? So it's time for folding your clothes because you are promising me you will help your mama. And what else you will do? You will fold your के बाद clothes की folding खुद करेंगे. Yes. Okay, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, please take out your material, the t-shirt, jeans or lower and the pair of socks. Am I visible to everyone?
इसको फोल्ड करो.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your t-shirt. Yes, first of all, take your t-shirt, the front side, down on the table. Yes. Now, fold the arms. Fold the arms like this.
ऐसे देखो.
Now, the second arm. You just need to fold the arm. Yes. And then fold it into half.
ऐसे नहीं ऐसे. ऐसे होल्ड.
Yes. Like this. And if the space is less, you can fold it again too. Right? First of all, take your t-shirt down on the table on the front side and then fold the arms on the upper side and the second arm, then fold it into half. And if the space is less, then you can fold into half again. You can fold it again. Now keep it aside. After folding the t-shirt, keep it aside. Then take your lower or the jeans.
Yes, I can see. Adira has done it very nicely. Very good, Adira. Very good, Riddhi and Siddhi. Pahal, very nice. Charvi Gupta.
Very good.
Good.
Now take your lower, fold it into half and again a fold. 2 folds you need to give. First half, then again half. That will fold your lower or the jeans and
Ma'am, I
step up,
done that.
one over the another.
Yes, very nice. Those who are completed, they just show me a thumbs up that they have done. Nobody will say, ma'am, I have done. Okay, very nice. Very good, Charvi, Krisha, I can see. Ayansh, Divik also, very good. Rudransh, I am not able to see your lower. Have you folded? Very good, Pahel, very nice.
Yes.
Very good, Avleen
Now
Kaur.
take the pair of socks. Take the pair of your socks, one over the another. one with top of another, and then fold it like this. One fold and the second fold, जो rubber होता है last का, we need to tuck in between. The front part of your socks, the front part, you have to tuck it in the rubber part of your socks, the last part, and this will tuck it up.
Okay, yes, one story is there. You know, one boy was there. आप में से कोई नहीं था, वो bad boy था. उसने क्या किया, वो घर आया, उसने अपने शूज फेंक दिए और अपनी सॉक्स उतार दी, और उसके पास सॉक्स मिली ही नहीं, बिकॉज वन सॉक्स इज हियर, वन सॉक्स इज समवेयर एल्स, तो सॉक्स गुम जाती है. सॉक्स को हमेशा पेयर करके रखेंगे. निष्ठा मैम को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है कि सॉक्स का पेयर जब गुम जाता है तो वेस्ट हो जाती है वो सॉक्स. तो वी नीड टू ऑलवेज पुट इट together, always both the socks together, otherwise socks गुम जाती है and pair will get wasted. जो हमारी socks रह जाती है वो waste हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो today we have learned how to fold our clothes. मम्मा के clothes नहीं fold करने, अपने clothes fold करने हैं. मम्मा के बहुत big होते हैं, मम्मा will do herself, but you need to be independent now and you will fold your t-shirt, your lower, your socks you need to pair up, and hanky also. If you are using your hanky, you can fold that also. ठीक है, done. Riddhi and Siddhi, help करोगे मम्मा की? Yes, they are showing me a thumbs up that they will help mama. Charvi is also showing a thumbs up. Krisha, very good, Krisha. Okay, now first thing is 5 resolution we need to take. 5 important things, important promises. One is help your mama. Second thing, fold your clothes. Third thing, eat your food yourself. हम अपना खाना अपने आप खाएंगे. Fifth, I will not watch mobile and TV. हम ज्यादा मोबाइल और टीवी नहीं देखेंगे.
Ma'am, Krisha, full day of watch TV and mobile only.
No, Krisha. No, you cannot. Okay, one promise also. One promise is from Mama's side. Mama, whenever your child is not obeying na, send me a picture. Send me a photo. Mama मुझे complain कर सकती है. मम्मा हो. स्कूल की मम्मा मैम होती हैं. तो ऑनलाइन क्लास की मम्मा निष्ठा मैम है, श्रुति मैम है, संगीता मैम है. हम सब मम्मा हैं आपकी. ठीक है. तो मुझे पता है ये सारे गुड बेबीज हैं, बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड हैं, पर अगर कहना नहीं मानेंगे तो मम्मा आप मेरे को बता देना. तो मम्मा विल टेल मी. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉमिस मम्मा की हेल्प. सेकंड प्रॉमिस fold your clothes. Third promise, eat your food yourself. That was third promise. Fourth promise, don't watch TV and mobile. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं देखना, only for 40 minutes, only for your class. Fifth promise कौन मुझे बताएगा? Fifth promise जो सारे बच्चे भूल जाते हैं winters में, brush your teeth every day. Fifth promise is brushing your teeth every day. जो सब भूल जाते हैं ना? Yes, भूल जाते हैं. तो अब हमारे सारे promises babies जो हैं वो सब बताएंगे मुझे. पहले जल्दी से बताओ, मैम ने फर्स्ट प्रॉमिस क्या बताया था?
फर्स्ट प्रॉमिस क्या है?
कि मम्मा की हेल्प करनी है.
Very good girl, my sweet girl, disciplined girl. Yes, Adira, what is the second promise? Adira, what is the second promise?
फोल्ड माय मैम को बताओ. सेकंड
ज्यादा फोन और टीवी नहीं देखना.
वो तो थर्ड प्रॉमिस था. ठीक है, ये भी वन प्रॉमिस है, ज्यादा फोन और टीवी नहीं देखना. वेरी गुड. यस कृषा, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्रॉमिस?
खुद खाना है.
खाना खुद खाना है.
वेरी गुड, खाना खुद खाना है. मम्मा फोटो भेज देना, आपने खाना नहीं खिलाना, बेबीज अपने आप खाना खाएंगे. यस चार्वी गुप्ता, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्रॉमिस? for her own own clothes.
Put on
Very good. अपने clothes को खुद fold करना है. Yes, Rudransh is there. Rudransh, what is the next promise?
बताओ बताओ
बताओ next promise क्या किया था मम्मा से?
क्या करना है फ्रेश
fresh.
ब्रश योर टीथ
Brush your teeth.
एवरी डे
Everything.
Very nice. Very nice. Clapping for all my babies. All my babies have learned all the promises. Help your mama. Fold your clothes. Eat your food yourself. Don't watch TV and mobile phone. And brush your teeth. ये हमारे 5 promises हैं. We will start our new year with these 5 promises. And we will become the best baby of the world. And we will become the best baby of the world. Now it's time for some fun. अब कुछ fun करें? Yes, ma'am has told you yesterday to take out some biscuits, some chocolate spread, some gems. Take out all the things. जल्दी से निकाल लो. Over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please take out all the material like biscuit, chocolate spread, any of the chocolate spread, Nutella or Hershey's, anything you have. 1 butter knife and some gems. Please take out, we are making a good cake, biscuit cake. Yes, everyone, are you ready with your material? Your ingredients? Give me thumbs up. Shall we start? Yes.
Vedant, I can see you on 2 screens. आप 2 जगह पे दिख रहे हो मेरे को. Vedant and Vedika.
First of all, you have to take 1 marigold biscuit. Spread some Nutella or the Hershey syrup you have with the help of knife or the butter knife. Please take the help of your mama. Now, one more biscuit. Press it down. Again, spread some chocolate over the biscuit. Again, 1 more biscuit. You can take 2 biscuits, 3 biscuits, 4 biscuits. The more biscuit you will take, the more big cake you will have. Spread the chocolate sauce over one another. One biscuit, then chocolate spread, again biscuit, then chocolate spread. I am taking 4 biscuits. Press it down. Last, spread your chocolate. And Last, you can decorate it with gems or any sprinkles you have, or the dry fruits like this. This will make your cookie cake. I can see everybody trying. Yes, very good, Krisha.
And you know, everybody is enjoying making and putting spread over it. और मैंने देखा एक बच्चा तो finger licking भी कर रहा था, इतनी अच्छी chocolate थी, wow. Yes, Avleen Kaur, very beautiful and yummy cake. You can send a pic to ma'am, please. Ma'am wants to eat. Who else has made it? Krisha. Krisha has done this. Who else? Charvi, very nice. Very good, Ayansh. My kids are making their own cookie cake today on the occasion of New Year. Very good. Very good, Divik. Very nice, Divik. Very good boy. Charvi, very good. Ayansh, finish हो गया?
बोलो मैम. Thank you.
Bolo.
He's decorating his cake now.
Very good. And you know what? आपको सारे बेबीज को कुकी केक बनाते हुए देख के ना मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं कुकी केक खा लूं सबके हाउस में आके. वाओ. Charvi, very beautiful cake. Krisha, your cake is done. Can I see? Wow. And you know, you can sprinkle some choco chips or white chocolate or some jam also to decorate your cake. Right? Pehal, I want to see your cake.
Ma'am,
Very good, Akshdeep.
cake. Ready? Cake.
Yes, beautiful cake. Very good. And you know what? If you want to make it more healthy, na, you can sprinkle some nuts or badam, kaju, kishmish over it. ठीक है, जो बच्चे dry fruit नहीं खाते, mama, you can put some dry fruit also so that they can eat it. Very good. I can see all my kids are enjoying their cookie cake. Wow, yummy. But खाने से पहले मैम को फोटो तो भेज दो. Very beautiful cake, Riddhi and Siddhi. Very good, girls. I can see. सब बच्चों तो मैम को दिखाया भी नहीं, पहले ही खा लिया. किसने खा लिया पहले? Okay, it's time to do some dancing. थोड़ा सा dance कर ले. After our cake, we have completed our cake. We can dance now. We can dance now, please. Put your cake aside and we can eat it after the class. Everybody stand up for the dance. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, over to you, please. Sangeeta ma'am, voice is not coming.
Call in all your friends, shout and dance, be in trend. New Year has come, so clap your hands and jump, jump. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year. Blow your whistle, ring your bell, ring your bell, ring your bell. Blow your whistle, ring your bell. Now throw your hands up in the air. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. give a yeah, where your heart and give a yeah, a song of joy for all to hear. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year. A new year, a new day, time for hope, a time to cheer. A new day, a new year, I'm so glad you're all here. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year.
Yes, very good. All my kids enjoyed.
Ma'am, can we do dancing for one more time, please, Sangeeta ma'am? All kids were enjoying a lot.
Yes, again stand up.
Yes, everyone, again stand up for dance. Yes, one more time.
Stand up.
Call in all your friends, shout and dance, be in trend. New Year has come, so clap your hands and jump, jump. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year. Blow your whistle, ring your bell, ring your bell, ring your bell. Blow your whistle, ring your bell. Now throw your hands up in the air. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year. Wear your hat, give a yell, give a yell, give a yell. Wear your hat and give a yell, a song of joy for all to hear. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wish you a Happy New Year. A new year, a new day, time for hope, a time to cheer. A new day, a new year, I'm so glad you're all here. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, wish you a Happy New Year.
Yes, very good. All of you did it very nicely. Very good. Clapping for all my dear kids. ठीक है, अब हम जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं कि हमने कौन कौन से प्रोमिसेस किए हैं. वेदांत, वेदांत, लिसन टू मैम. जल्दी से मैम के प्रोमिसेस सुन लो जो मैम ने आपके लिए किए हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, hold your own clothes. Third promise is don't watch TV and mobile. Fifth, next promise is brush your teeth. कोई प्रॉमिस मैम भूल भी गई है ना एक बीच में. 5 promises थे. Eat your food on your own. अपने आप अपना खाना खाना है सारे बेबीज ने. Done? Show me a thumbs up those who are promising your mama and very good. I can see Charvi, Divik, Pehel, Agamjeet, Adira, Avleen Kaur, Krisha. Krisha, are you promising?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now I will show you a very bright 2021, and may God bless you all and your family, and New Year will be a very very bright New Year. ठीक है, 2020 जैसा नहीं चाहिए. बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलना है हमने न्यू ईयर में. ओके, तो इट शुड बी वेरी कलरफुल, वेरी स्पार्कली न्यू ईयर.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Kapriyata.
फ्रेंड्स को
Happy New Year, friends.
Happy New Year, friends.
बोलो
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Dear friends.
बोलो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मैम एंड ऑल ऑफ यू.
नानी नाना को भी
नानी
Happy
नानी खीरे में
Yes.
Good morning to your
Happy New Year.
Happy
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year, everyone.
It's time to go home. It's time to go